Happy rain, guys. What's going on? Hope all's well. Going to a no heat call. I believe it's a mini split. I'm not sure what kind of system it is. But we'll see what it is when we get there. It's pouring rain. Hopefully it has nothing to do with the control board. If it is a mini split. Because I will not be opening it up today. Even with my umbrella. I don't care. I don't take those chances. Well, let's see what it is. You know who lives right down here? Lenny Kravitz. His sister lives right down this block. Hello. Okay. Third class entrance. This guy just said there's COVID on one side of the house, not the other. I'm not enough. Fuck his mask. Wait, did you just say there's COVID on one side of the house?
We got a COVID over there, yeah.
COVID?
Uh-huh.
So why isn't it on this side?
What's that? We're staying over there to stay out of your way, if that's okay. You want to do it another time, that's fine too.
Yeah, my brother-in-law's in the hospital for COVID. Where's the unit? And what's going on with it?
It doesn't heat. There's 5 green flashes and 3 yellow.
Okay, it's Fujitsu?
Yep.
Where's the outside unit?
Right behind it. Right here.
All right, grab 2 masks. I'm going to go to the back. People have no fucking class, man. You just didn't tell, like, the dispatch that you had COVID? Assholes. 3 yellow flashes. It's convenient. We have a 10 blink green, 3 blink amber, which is compressor error, compressor temp error. But I was reading the nomenclature, some data on these Halcyon units, and it'll say if the filters are completely plugged, which my partner cleaned them the best he can. I mean, but they were completely plugged. Said that could be an issue. Now I have Fujitsu tech support with a case number calling me back, but I have a feeling this might work. Might be wishful thinking, but we'll find out in about 3.5 minutes. Right now we just have, so I had the homeowner go ahead and kill power because the contractor who decided to just throw a wire in without a disconnect, a Romex wire. You should have a disconnect here. I shouldn't have asked you to go turn off the power. I should have been able to kill power here. That's not even to code. I mean, that's terrible. It's not your fault. Whoever did it, though, is a disgrace. I'm moving air. We just don't know if we're moving heat. But let's see if it heats up outside first. Let me go outside and see if we have movement on our condenser heat pump inverter. There's 9 different names to these guys. We are moving here. It's a year old, this system. But let's give it some time to heat up. I have my partner grabbing me a thermometer. Thank you. Phillips, my man. I don't know if this is made in China. I think these are made in Thailand. It's rampant, though. Yeah, no. Helicopters suck. Choppers, I call them. Chopper. Double-bladed, double-bladed. Army helicopters. Right? The ones you see, like, fucking... The ones when they're flying over your town, you could hear them, like, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, this guy's a hack. Look how he fucking wired this thing. What a hack. So, nothing like waiting for tech support to still call back. I think I'll fix this myself. So, this thing's blasting out cold air, too. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put it into air conditioning mode. And we're going to charge it. We're going to go off. If it needs refrigerant, you want me to add refrigerant?
Whatever it needs.
It shouldn't need refrigerant. It's a year old, but if it needs it, I'll get you heat. That's if it needs it.
I'll take the heat.
Yeah, no, I'd rather get you heating too, but people on YouTube will be like, why are you throwing refrigerant in? Well, to get them heat. A leak check could always come later. Right now I have it in cooling, but it didn't start up yet. It could take up to 5 minutes. Standing pressure is coming down. We want about 120. Look at this fucking guy. Excuse my French, guys. I'm sorry. Or my Italian. Pardon my French for letting me speak Italian. I mean, look at this, dude. Look at this residue, bro. Come on, fella. Look at this guy. He probably didn't even flare it right. I mean, if this is how he wired it, this is how he flared it. We're going to have to come back and do a proper leak search for this guy, but it's not going to be today. Let's get this thing to start up and cooling, and we'll see what the suction pressure drops down to. Let me see the can. Put it in manual cooling because it's too cool in here. And let's go outside. It's on? Yep. Okay, so now let's check our pressure because we're in. So that's what's good about these ductlesses. Sometimes people go to ductlesses and it's too cold, right? Yeah. In the winter, they can't. Look at this. Fuck, he's got no pressure, bro. That's fucking 6 PSIs, dude. Wow. Hold this, please. Sorry. There's your leak. Where's the wrench? I gave it to you. Okay, it's still leaking. I just tightened the shit out of it. And it's going to have to be reflared, and it's not going to be today because I am... You can see how cold it is, and I am... it's pouring rain, so this thing's going to need a full leak check. Flares inside and out, look. So we're gonna call this one a wrap. And let me go turn it off inside. And the thermometer and the control won't go lower than 64. You just go ahead and hold this down for 10 seconds. And then it'll run in cooling, and then you can go ahead and charge it. But this is going to need a full leak search because it's flat out empty. So I found the leak there at the flare, but I think it could be there's flare. Obviously, there's flares behind it, and we got to check coils. All right, guys, so full transparency, find a leak, tighten it up, still bubbling. It's going to need to be reflared. I was started to charge it, but I heard it hissing, so it wasn't holding, it was dropping just as fast as it was going in. So I stopped, and I think it was at like 6 PSIG when I first started. But I said, let me get the guy heat right. About 15 seconds into charging it, I hear it hissing. But we're scheduling a leak search because I'm not going to just go by that one flare. It could be there's 4 flares. It's going to be, or there might be more. But we're going to have to come back, schedule leak search. Hopefully there's not a leak in the coil or any coil. Hopefully it's just at the flares. But like I said, we never did this install. It's the first time we've ever been to this house. He had some ham and egger hodgepodge contractor do it. As you could see how he wired it. But thought I'd get it on video. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And Patrick, I sent out your testos today. And I talked to you via text anyway. You know they'll be there Thursday. And I'm going to try to do a couple giveaways. Maybe every month or two. But for tools. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.